In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause ActiveCampaign in our step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Whether you're taking a break or simply need to pause some of your ongoing activities, understanding how to manage your ActiveCampaign account effectively is crucial. So let's dive right in. To begin, head over to ActiveCampaign.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Take a moment to assess what specifically you want to pause. Your options include pausing an automation, a campaign, or even your entire account through a billing pause. Let's break down each option to make sure you feel comfortable with the process. First, let's talk about pausing an automation. On the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard, locate and click on Automations. This will bring up a list of all your current automation processes. Carefully identify which automation you need to pause. Once you've found it, direct your attention to the toggle switch sitting right next to the automation's name. With a simple click, switch it from active to inactive. By doing this, you'll pause the automation, which means no new contacts will enter the process. However, do note that contacts already in the sequence might continue through the remaining steps based on where they are in the process. If you need to stop all contacts immediately, there's a quick pro tip for you. Open the specific automation, click Active in the top right corner, and then select Set to Inactive. This will cease all activities instantly. Now, if your intent is to pause a scheduled email campaign, the process is slightly different but equally straightforward. You'll again work from your dashboard. Find the Campaigns tab, generally positioned in the sidebar, and click on it. This will display all your scheduled and active email campaigns. Go through your list to pinpoint the campaign that needs a pause. Once you have it, you'll often see an option to pause or edit. Choose to pause, as this will halt the distribution of any scheduled emails immediately until you decide to activate it again. Lastly, pausing your entire account involves accessing your account's billing settings. This is particularly useful if you foresee an extended inactive period or are looking to minimize costs temporarily. From your dashboard, navigate to Account Settings, often found under the Profile drop-down menu, and select Billing. Within this section, there is typically an option to pause your account labeled something like Billing Pause or Account Pause. Selecting this will temporarily halt all billing-related activities while suspending most account functions until reactivated. And there you have it, a seamless guide to pausing various functions within your ActiveCampaign account. Whether it's a single automation or the entire account, now you can manage your activities with ease and confidence. Remember, you can revisit this video whenever you need to, ensuring you have all the information at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have further questions.